What's going on, guys? It's Saturday morning, so I'm here again with John, and we are about to head out to another Chester Springs Cars and Coffee. So for this episode and for the ride out there, John, I'm going to have you name your top 3 automotive YouTube, of course, besides my awesome channel. No, let's go top 5. What are your top 5 automotive YouTube channels that you love to watch?
Hey guys, so yeah, the YouTube channels I've been watching the most, and this changes from time to time, I guess, with content, with cars that I'm interested in. But you know, I think what started me in my car YouTube frenzy was Street Speed 717. Street Speed was the first channel I came upon, interested in the C8 Corvette, seeing that he had picked up one at the time about a year and a half ago or so, got me interested in automotive YouTube. And then Savage Garage was the next one I started to follow. Street Speed did a lot of things with Savage Garage at that time, and I started following Savage and was really impressed by all the cars that Randy and the crew have. Daily Driven Exotics, I spend some time watching those guys. I can certainly relate to those guys, and you know, I think they're a great channel to watch. I really enjoy Throttle House. That's another one. They do a lot of you know, good car comparisons and drag races and things. I think the two of them as a duo, a lot of fun. I don't know how many I've said so far, but
I think that was 4. So
4. Wow, one more. It's tough. I mean, you know, you got to give it to people like Stradman just for the huge following he has and the incredible cars, and his personality on camera is amazing. But I can go on and on. I mean, I love watching the straight pipes and the things that they do.
I was going to say Triple F collection. You got me on
Triple
that one
F
recently.
is newer to the game, and really just have the most amazing car collection because they just seem to have an endless supply of money and can buy whatever cars they want. Carwow, love Matt Watson, love the drag races when him and Yanni go back and forth busting on each other. You know, great entertainment. So yeah, I feel like I can go on and on forever. I watch way more YouTube, auto YouTube than I do watch pretty much any other TV. So
I could have made this your top 10.
Yeah, it could have been top 10, could have been top 20. You know, but yeah, it's been enjoyable through the pandemic. Instead of binge watching Netflix, I found YouTube. You know, all these guys doing great things with cars has really gotten me, you know, geeked out in the car scene. So. Not a bad way to spend time.
Well, there you have it, guys. I will leave links to all of those channels down below. Make sure you guys go check them out, and stay tuned for some awesome cars from Chester Springs Cars and Coffee. guys, I hope you enjoyed another Cars and Coffee. If you like these videos, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for all your support. Catch you guys in the next one.